This tutorial shows you how to create recommendation forms for new student applicants. The forms will be filled out by former teachers or others, then submitted directly to you as a part of the student's application. Go to the Setup Registration screen. This option, First Apply Then Register, is commonly used, but it is not required. Recommendations can be used either way. Click here to require recommendations. Then choose the number required. Enter the instructions for parents of applicants here, which they will see as a part of the application process. Enter the instructions for recommenders here, which they see in the email here. This is optional, since all the important information is already included in the email. To create your form, go to Students, Forms. Click Add Remove Forms and then New Edit Form. Add a title here. Set the For menu to Recommendations. Optionally, you can create different recommendation forms for different grade levels, so set the grade range here. These three fields are preloaded and not editable. Then add your questions and text boxes, checkboxes, and so on. You can also add a file upload button if you want them to be able to attach their recommendations as files. See our online forms tutorial for form field options. Once your recommendation forms have been created, you can start applications. See the Setup Registration screen for the registration link, which you will send to the parents or post on your website. Parents will fill out all application forms and general information and enter the people's names and email addresses to request recommendations. Jupyter then automatically sends emails to those recommenders. It also automatically sends them reminder emails as needed. Parents will also be emailed when reminders are sent out, as well as if the recommender's email bounces. Recommenders then fill out the form online and submit it, or they may decline and give a reason. The recommendations are submitted directly to Jupyter and filed with the student's application. Parents and students cannot see the recommendations. To monitor the status of recommendations, go to Students, Registration. Students will automatically move from pending to ready once all required recommendations are received. To see a student's recommendations, check the student. Then click View. Then scroll down to see all the forms, including recommendations. Click the View link for more options, so you can edit the request or resend the email.